Hello friends, I want to share with you one way to overcome overheating on the 11th model. The model is gorgeous, of course everything's okay, but I struggled with this overheating 25 to 30 minutes. That's it, we arrived, whatever I did, in any weather. I turned on the air conditioner in the car. On it, no, 25 to 30 minutes is everything. No need to wait 10 to 15 minutes or change the battery. But overall, an entire story in short. He manipulated for a long time, so he thought of such a solution, and I don't know, I think it will suit everyone. The only inconvenience in him that he's not friends with water. Now you'll find out why. Well, in short, the nightingale isn't filled with tails. Look, in short, we switch on the camera. I just turn it on so that they see there are no tricks. Switch off. Now watch your hands. Open the hatch. Take out the battery. You just have to squeeze out the card. You don't have to take it out. Just squeeze it back in. Now take a regular power bank. The only thing is that it should have an output of at least 2 amps. Connect it, leave the hatch open. You can take it off. It'll be even better. Turn it on. There's no battery, okay, no need. Now in any mode it'll work until the card writes or doesn't or runs out of the power bank like before I tried. I have a card for 128 gig, so 2 hours it took everything. It heated up, of course, but no, not really, not boiling water. That's the whole way. Well, that's it. I'll be glad if you have helped someone. If you consider it necessary, subscribe to my channel. The channel needs subscribers. To be honest, I want to have more. Maybe I'll throw something else out. I don't know. Some idea will be born, in short. If you don't subscribe, like it's a pity, so take it for free. Well, that's it. All the best. Good luck to everyone. Good shooting. Bye bye.